Welcome to Master of Realms. Today we're going to explore one of the most amazing and powerful features of this application. If you click on any tile, you'll see there are many options to choose from. One of them is the label system. With this tool, you'll be able to effortlessly add regions and labels to your map, giving you complete control over how your world takes shape. Let's see how it works. First, select the Selection tool option. Then, click on or select the area where you want to add a label. After that, a menu will appear on the right side. From there, click on the Label System option. To add a region, click on the Add button, then choose a color and give your region a name. Let's name it a farm. Next, simply click on Save and your region will be set. Let's move forward and label all the important regions on this map, giving each one its own unique identity. The process to add a label is the same. Simply click on the Add button, choose your favorite color, name your region, and then click Save. Let's step up and explore the bigger areas. Super easy, right? And it's not just the bigger areas. You can also choose a single tile and label it. Let's go ahead and label this whole mountain area. It's going to be fun. If you click on a view box, you'll find an option called Regions. Here you'll see all the label names listed in one place. You'll also find some options. The first one lets you add the selected area to a region. The second option allows you to show or hide the label, making it easy to keep your map clean and focused. The third option is Edit. You can use it to change the label's name and customize the border color to better match your map's style. And the last option is Delete. You can use it to remove a label if it's no longer needed, keeping your map organized and clutter-free.